Hello, West Seattle High School students or faculty. This is a video about how to get a folder built in your OneDrive if you're a student so that you can save your materials for particular classes. All right, so the first thing you need to do is get into OneDrive. And there are a couple of ways I'll show you how to do it. First is going to be the web-based way. So I would just go to West Seattle High School's webpage and then go to your standard student pull down. When you're in the when you're in anything from Seattle Public Schools, you'll have your student pull down, and you're going to click on Office 365. Office 365 will pull up all of your various documents and stuff like that, and you're going to look for this thing over here, the one that says OneDrive. All right. So you clicked on Office 365, you clicked on OneDrive, and that opened up your OneDrive. And this will show all of your folders that you already have. This is my actual thing. So the other way to get into Office 365 and into OneDrive in particular is to use the Start menu. So my Start menu is at the top right because that's where I keep my menu bar. Yours is probably at the bottom right, but it could be almost anywhere. And so what you're going to want to do is click on the Windows bar, and then Office 365 and Steam and OneDrive and all this other stuff will be in the list of tiles over here if it's not already over here. It might already be over there. So here is OneDrive. Right there, you can see it. It says OneDrive. I'm going to pull it over to here just so I have it over easy to find. You can also take it and drop it onto your taskbar if you want to always be able to find your OneDrive. But basically, you're going from your Start menu and you're finding either this big tile or you're going through all your stuff over here to find it. And then when you click on OneDrive, it will open up the OneDrive tab, which will look a little different from this version. So either one of these are the same. And so you can see all the stuff that you might need to see. All right. And then in terms of making a folder, I'm going to make it in the web-based one because I tend to try and do everything in the browser that I can. To make a new folder, you just click up here, as you would imagine, under New. And then you can click New Folder. So once again, once you're in your OneDrive, you click on New and Folder. And then for my foundations class, which is what this video is primarily for, although it's a similar thing for my world history class, you just type in the name of the class you want. If you feel like having all your folders in order, if you're super OCD that way, you could put like which period it is to start with because it'll put it in alpha order. But foundations, and then I'm just going to put the year and what season it is because it's first semester. So 2020 fall, and then create. And then there you can see the folder I just made. This is the actual real one I use. So that's how to make a folder. Once again, you just click New once you're in OneDrive, and then Folder, and then type in whatever name you want, and it will show up as one of your folders. So you should make folders for all your classes so you don't lose your materials. It'll also make it really easy when you're using Turnitin.com if all of your work is in the place that it should be. Hope that was helpful. Thanks. Bye.